In a world beyond our own, where adventure meets destiny, one hero will rise to save our home.
I won't let Earth down.
Join Luna
Earth
and her
needs
cosmic
us, and we won't
companions
fail.
on an epic mission to protect our planet from an otherworldly threat coming soon to a galaxy near you. Prepare for an out-of-this-world adventure, coming to theaters in 2024. Brought to you by Infinite Dream Studios.
Yes, this trailer was entirely AI generated, and the best part is that it was all done by free tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create similar Disney Pixar-style animation entirely for free. How to properly generate still images with detailed prompts using an amazing free image generator, and how to transform these images into high-quality animation scenes, and influence the outcome, which I will explain in detail later in this video. So make sure you watch till the end. In this example, I wanted to create a short trailer for a non-existing Disney Pixar-style movie. So the first thing I did was to ask my trusted AI friend, ChatGPT, for a non-existing Disney Pixar-style trailer that is at least 15 seconds long. Then I asked it to generate some image ideas for the trailer, as this will give us the basis for our image prompts. Next, it's time to generate our images, and for that, I'll be using LEONARDO AI. This gives you 150 free credits to use every day, and if you know how to use it, you can create some great images. Click on AI Image Generator. Choose the number of images you want to create, 16:9 aspect ratio, as this is the ratio for long-form videos for YouTube and the 3D animation model. Now let me show you 3 methods for creating the perfect images for your animations. Method 1 is to use the following prompt template as a starting point for your images. Start with a subject followed by a description of the scene, and end with the desired style of the image. So for this example, I used Earth as the subject. The rest is my description and my image style as Pixar Disney. If you don't get your desired results, you can put in negative prompts so they don't come in your generated images. For example, blurry eyes, multiple characters, etc. Before you download your chosen image, it's important to upscale it to achieve the best possible quality when generating the animation. So click on More Image, Upscale, and select the HD Crisp Upscale option. Then click on Download. The second method is to use an image reference, if you want to create something with a specific setting or as a reference. You can upload your image by clicking on Image Guidance, and use the same prompt template as used in Method 1 as a starting point. And if you're not satisfied with the initial results, follow the same steps as mentioned in Method 1 until you get your desired results. The third method is to use the image ideas generated from ChatGPT in LEONARDO AI prompt generation to generate your prompts for you. You have 1,000 generations to use each month. Copy and paste the image ideas from ChatGPT into here and put Pixar Disney style at the end, and select the number of prompts you would like generated and click on Ideate. This will help you to get the best image prompts. Once your prompts are generated, click on Generate to generate each prompt into an image. Do this for all your image ideas that was generated in ChatGPT. Once you have created your images, it's time to bring them to life. I'll use Pika Labs. Visit pika.art and select Join Beta, and then click on Invite, and you'll be directed to their Discord. Pika Labs has multiple generation rooms where you can start creating videos. However, you can easily lose track of your generated videos. I recommend opening a private chat with the Pika bot. Right-click and select Message. Like this, you'll only see your own generated videos. Type a / and select Anime. Then upload the image you created with Leonardo AI and type in the following prompt to influence the outcome. NEG FSP GS camera motion seed. Let me break down this prompt. NEG means your negative prompts, the things you don't want to see in your video. FSP means frames per second. Higher the value, the smoother the video becomes. You can choose anything from 8 to 24. I use 24. GS means guidance scale. The higher the value, the related it is to the text prompt. Use between 8 to 24. Camera allows you to control the movement of the camera in the video. This is really important if you want to have moving elements in your video. For example, you can instruct the video to zoom out, zoom in, pan right, pan left, pan upright, etc. Motion is how much motion you would like in your video. You can choose a number between 0 to 3, where 0 is very little motion and 3 is a lot. Seed. This is a random number that determines the outcome of the video. Just pick a random number, and if you generate it again without making changes to the prompt and use the same seed number, you get the same outcome. However, if you generate it again also with the same prompt, but this time only changing the seed number, you will get a slight variation of the outcome. So you could change this if the outcome is very close to what you want, but not quite. To start with, I will remove the negative section of the prompt and see the outcome, and then add in my negative actions like distortion and morphing. I will recommend to immediately generate another video with a slight variant of the prompt, as it doesn't matter if you generate one or more at the same time. This way, you can test different variations of the prompt to see which one works best and will save you a lot of time. To do this, click on the arrows under the generation you have just made, so you don't have to upload and type out the prompt each time. Do this for all your images. Once you have your videos downloaded, before we can edit them, make sure to upscale them, as this will improve the quality of the videos. To upscale them, you can use any online upscaler. I used CapCut, the online version, and you can see the difference in the quality. Next, let's generate our voiceover using 11 Labs. The link is in the description. Once signed up, choose your voiceover. You can select one from the drop-down menu, or choose one from the voice library that best suits your topic. As you can see, they have a vast array of voices to choose from. And paste your narration script from ChatGPT into here. Feel free to punctuate your script so your generated voice will sound more natural and human-like. And click on Generate, and once you're happy with the generated voice, click on Download. Now it's time to do the most crucial part of the video, which is choosing the background music and sound effects, as the right background music will bring your video to life. The best place for this is Upbeat.io, as they have one of the largest collections of very high quality music and sounds. And I also know that I will not run into any copyright issues with YouTube when using their music. Again, the link is in the description. Now it's time to edit the videos and bring everything together. To edit your video, you can use any video editing software. I'm going to use CapCut, as it's a great free online video editor. Open CapCut up and import your videos, voiceover, background music, and any sound effects. Drag them to the timeline and start editing the video. Once you're done, click on Export to export your video. And here are some of the scenes that didn't make the cut. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you like this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, as this will help get this video more views, which helps me make more of these videos for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time.